Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today is day 2 of my NEWvember challenge to keep me accountable and help me to stay on track with my WW points. So if you'd like to see what I eat in the day, come on along and share the day with me. Here's my breakfast this morning. I have 2 pieces of ready-cooked bacon for 2 points, 2 eggs, 0, some hash browns for 0 points, 1 point for the Velveeta cheese, and 1 point for the bread with sprayed with, I can't believe it's not butter. So that is going to be a 4-point breakfast. And then I'll have my iced coffee also, which is 1 point. I made my iced coffee this morning with stock and some cafe latte premier protein, so that is 1 point. So the total for this breakfast is 5 points. I'm going to make a little fruity dessert with some raspberries. I'm going to mash them up. Then I'm going to add some blueberries. And then I'm going to mash those up just a little bit, break them a little bit. Then I'm adding a packet of strawberry jello, the sugar-free, and I'm going to mix that up and refrigerate it and have a little fruity dessert later. Mid-morning snack, I'm going to have a banana and a mandarin orange for a 0-point snack. Looks even better, cut up in small pieces, and it will last longer. For lunch, I had 2 Hebrew National fat-free hot dogs. They are 1 point apiece. And then I have 2 keto buns from Aldi's, and those are 3 points for the 2. Plus, I have a 3-point serving of sour cream and cheddar Clancy chips for 3 points. Here's my dinner tonight. It's kind of a higher point dinner. I made a pot roast, so I have 8 points worth of pot roast. And the carrots and potatoes, I cooked it together, but I'm counting it as 1 point for both. 1 point for the gravy, and then it's going to be 4 points for the crescent roll. But it is good. Can use those weekly points for this kind of food. So there's my last food for the night. That's my serving of the fruit jello I made with a light Cool Whip topping, and that is counted as 2 points. So that's going to end my day. So that's the end of the day 2 video. I ended the day with 33 points. I drank 40 ounces of water and only got in 3,000 steps as I was babysitting my grandchildren, so didn't get to go out and walk too much. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.